Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we are going to explore CapCut's new feature. No intro, let's get started. First feature on CapCut version 5.5 now includes smooth slow motion, perfect for making velocity and cinematic. As you can see, this is the sample I made earlier. Let's test it. It takes time on applying motion. The second features now includes Schley Advanced Color Grading, which can manipulate colors based on your taste. Let's try it. And we can now compare the difference between the color graded versus raw video. Want tutorial about color grading? Well, subscribe this channel now and you'll be notified when I've uploaded another video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.